Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm going to unbox the Muppet Christmas Carol on Blu-ray. I got this as part of my introductory offer for joining Disney Movie Club. Never seen this. I've heard it's really good. I really like the slipcover. It's got this nice red border. It's shiny. It's embossed. Really like the artwork for the slipcover. And yeah, I haven't seen many of these Disney Christmas movies, but I guess this is a good way to start. Holiday season is coming up shortly, and really glad to have this in my collection to watch. Let me know what you think of it if you've seen it. It says It's Not Easy Being Scrooge, Special Edition, Blu-ray, and digital copy, 20th anniversary. Disney intermission, bloopers, and more. Disc 1, Blu-ray feature film and bonus. Disney intermission, pause the movie and see what happens. Audio commentaries with Kermit, Gonzo, Rizzo, and more with director Brian Henson. Frogs, Pigs, and Humbug, unwrapping a holiday classic. Experience an in-depth, behind-the-scenes exercise in controlled chaos as director Brian Henson, Gonzo, and Rizzo explore the making of the film. On the set, blooper reel, Pepe profiles Gonzo, a portrait of the artist as a young weirdo. Get up close and personal with the great Gonzo and come away even more confused in this very special look hosted by Pepe, the King Prawn. Christmas Around the World, Gonzo and Rizzo discuss Christmas traditions and Aunt Ruth's fruitcake. And disc 2 is the digital copy. Running time 86 minutes. It's rated G. And the Blu-ray is region free. So again, I really like this slipcover. And definitely let me know what you guys think of this if you've seen it. I know later this year in November, Disney is releasing Mickey's A Christmas Carol or Mickey's Christmas Carol and Winnie the Pooh, A Very Merry New Year, A Very Merry Pooh Year. Just mention that because they're Disney Christmas movies, and I'll definitely be picking those up on Blu-ray. Never seen those either, but Blu-ray case. Movie rewards. It's a digital copy that has kind of a yellow color to it. A little different. And the Blu-ray disc. So there's my unboxing for the Muppet Christmas Carol on Blu-ray. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see my entire Disney Club Blu-ray haul, I'll leave the annotation and the link in the description for that. But thank you for watching, guys. Take care. I'll see you later.